Hi, Miss M's class. Welcome to science. Today we're going to learn about earthquakes. Let's review what we've learned so far, though. So, Earth has three main layers. The crust that we live on, which is the coolest layer. It has the continents and oceans. The mantle, which is the middle layer, and it's warmer and there's melted rock in there. Here the rock is strong and cool on the crust. In the mantle, it's melted rock. And the center layer is called the core, which is very, very hot. Okay, now Earth's crust has large pieces called plates. So plates sometimes move. The crust is made of large pieces called plates. So those move sometimes, and let's see why they move. When the soft rock in the mantle rises toward the surface, it can move plates. So like hot rock is coming up, the plates in the surface start to move, okay? So what happens when plates move? When plates move, they cause volcanoes. A volcano is a place where melted rock comes out onto Earth's surface. And we talked about volcanoes last time. And then earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden release of energy caused by breaking and moving rock. That's certainly broken here, and things have moved. Look at this. It used to be a regular road. Now it's a huge mess. Okay, more about earthquakes. Many earthquakes happen when two plates scrape against each other. That means they rub. One goes this way, one goes this way, and that friction causes energy in the rock to break. The movement makes energy build up until the rock breaks. See, it's broken now. A crack where rock breaks and moves is called a fault. Look at this. Massive, huge fault. This is in Nepal, a country that is on the northeast border of India. And it's got a lot of earthquakes there. Japan does too. Okay, more about earthquakes. What do we see and feel during an earthquake? During an earthquake, the ground shakes. It's a very weird feeling, like the ground you're standing on is shaking and you're trying to hold on to something because you're going to lose your balance. Earthquakes can cause damage and kill people. Look at this. That's a huge mess. I don't even know. Oh, that one is in Turkey. Turkey is in, well, some people think it's in Asia, some people think it's Europe. It might be in between, but Turkey is where this earthquake happened. Let's watch some videos of earthquakes, okay? And remember, there's no sound. That's just how it is for my screen recorder. So let's watch one. Okay, this is Nepal, and the reason the picture is shaking is because Earth is shaking. Watch what's going to happen. Watch, watch, what? Oh my goodness. I hope those people did not die. Crazy stuff, right? This is one example. I'm going to show you another example of an earthquake. Okay, we're waiting for this scene to finish. This is the scene I want to show you. These people are working on computers. It might be a library. And watch what's going to happen now. Crazy. They lose power. You usually lose power during earthquakes. Look at that. Crazy, right? Things are flying everywhere. Things are getting destroyed. It's very, very scary to go through an earthquake. And it just keeps shaking and shaking and shaking. I don't know where this one was. I did not notice where this took place. But very, very scary stuff, right? Okay, so let's review what we've learned about earthquakes. Remember, the earthquakes happen when plates scrape against each other. That means they rub against each other. And the movement makes energy build up until the rock breaks. A crack where rock breaks and moves is called a fault. That's a huge fault line right here in this picture. Okay, and earthquakes are dangerous. They make the ground shake and they cause a lot of damage and can kill a lot of people. Okay, that's it for our lesson. It's time to look at our assignment. Here's our assignment for May 14th, science assignment about earthquakes. Decide if the following statements are true or false. During an earthquake, the ground shakes. Number 2, the core is the middle layer of earth. True or false? Earthquakes can cause damage and kill people. True or false? Fill in the blanks with words from the word bank. Word bank, plates, volcano, fault. Okay, number 4. Earth's crust is made of large pieces called a crack where rock breaks and moves. What is that called? Okay, number 6. A place where melted rock comes out onto Earth's surface. Remember, these are 3 spaces. You're going to fill them with these 3 words. Figure out which one goes where. That's it for today's assignment. Good luck and let me know if you have any questions. But first, check out the translation documents on Schoology. Okay, bye for now.